Walter Russell oftentimes talk about curved planes and planes of zero curvature. Here's what I understand how they form. No such effect in nature which are not based upon motion. Dimensions are emergent properties born out of motion, and plane is one of those dimensions. A curved plane or a flat plane is a matter of balancing the two opposing forces of gravity and radiation between two masses. When creator begins to create, a force of action or gravitation or concentration is maximum at the starting point, while the force of reaction or radiation or disintegration is at minimum. Unbeknownst to us is that when the creator began to concentrate, an equal mass moves the opposite way, but instead of contracting, it is preponderantly expanding. The maximum expansive force or radiation on the negative side corresponds to the maximum gravitation on the positive side, while the minimum radiation on the positive side corresponds to the minimum gravitation on the negative side. The discharge on the negative side becomes the charge on the positive side, and the discharge in the positive side becomes the charge in the negative side. Their connection are mutual. The maximum of radiation in the negative side is met with the minimum of radiation in the positive side. Their meeting point would be somewhere near the positive. This is the reason why there are curved planes. As the radioactive force begins to creep its way towards dominance in the positive side, and the gravitative force begins to dominate in the negative side, there comes a point in their journey where both forces in each side equalize. That curved plane will push in the middle, and a plane of zero curvature is created. This is what Walter Russell referred to as bisexual, meaning positive and negative are equal. This is the part of the cycle of maximum stability. In the universe of motion, there are only 2 points where motion do not exist. One is where radiation ends and gravity began, and the other is where gravitation ends and radiation began. All wave motion pivots around the axis of these 2 points. It is where appearance and disappearance, or concentration and expansion, takes place. Lastly, and this will surely empower us, is that when we look at the vast expanse of stars in the night sky, we should know that the reason why they are so expanded, it is because we are looking right through a curved plane, which is a concave lens. But in the outside perspective, our body were just a projection of the stars, with their light passes through a convex lens that concentrates light wave resulted in a body we manifested. Imagine how magnificent we are to know just that alone.